Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Peugeot. First of all, we have to make sure Bluetooth's on the phone. And just go down to the bottom here. On the actual screen itself, you see here, telephone, connect telephone, no telephone's connected. So we click connect telephone. And there it's searching. It's picked up BT Peugeot already. I'll just wait for the car to pick the phone up, my phone to pick the car up, and there we go. So Barry's iPhone. To complete the pairing with Barry's iPhone 11, confirm the code. Yep, the code's come up there, so yes on there and yes on there. And we want telephone and streaming on this occasion. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, yes, and okay there. And let's just see, BT Peugeot's connected there. So that's it, that's how you do it.